What is up, my diagrammers? Welcome back to another video. A lot of us have used draw.io to build flowcharts or to build mind maps, dragging and dropping shapes and maybe changing the color and the size. But honestly, most of us are only scratching the surface when it comes to what these shapes can really do. See, every shape in draw.io contains extra information that isn't immediately visible. We call these custom properties or metadata. And all of these powerful properties allow you to do all sorts of things that turn a static diagram into an interactive information hub. Today we're going to look at 3 ways to use these custom properties with tooltips, custom links, and placeholders. All right, first up we have tooltips. This is one of the easiest ways to add textual information to any shape or connector. Tooltips let you provide your viewers with additional information without adding too much clutter to your main diagram. To do this, go to Edit Tooltip, or use the shortcut Alt-Shift-T. Then you can add your text and then click Apply. Now anyone who hovers over that shape, whether they're in the editor or just viewing the preview, will instantly see the information. And it also keeps your canvas nice and clean. All right, now we have custom links. We already know we can add external links to a shape, but these can also act as navigation buttons. If you're working on a big multi-page diagram, you can add custom links to shapes that will take users directly to a different page within the same diagram. It pretty much turns your flowchart into a guided tour. You can add hyperlinks under the Edit Link drop-down menu. All you have to do is copy and paste or drag and drop the hyperlink to your desired web page. If you want to link a page from a multi-page diagram, all you have to do is select the desired page from the drop-down menu. If you want to link a Confluence page heading, select the heading from the Confluence page anchor drop-down menu. And finally, my favorite, we have placeholders. Now these act like variables. They add additional information to your shapes that automatically update. Draw.io has a number of predefined placeholders that can display many things from file name to the current page number. To make them work, you first have to enable them. Right click on the shape, go to Edit Data, check Placeholder, and click Apply. After that, you can double click your shape and type in your placeholder. You can use the variable page number and it will automatically show the correct number of that page. So there you have it, 3 custom properties that take your diagramming to infinity and beyond. Your shapes just don't display processes anymore. They've become little interactive information hubs that guide users through your work. I want you to give tooltips, placeholders, and custom links a try, and you will see just how rich your diagrams become. And that wraps this week's video. If you enjoyed it, please hit like, leave a comment, hit subscribe, and until next time, happy diagramming.